Hello everyone! Here to tell you a little bit about a product that I recently discovered a couple months back. Actually, I heard about it from a facialist, or an esthetician. I was getting a facial, and I kept telling the girl that was giving me the facial, I keep getting like ingrown hairs and annoying like razor bumps and like my bikini area. And we were just talking, and she's like, "Did you ever hear of Tin Skin?" And I'm like, "No, I never heard of that product before." And she's like, "I swear by it. It's just really great. It helps with ingrown hairs, razor bumps, shaving from shaving and waxing, and it's for women and men." This is a 4 ounce container or 118 milliliters. Really easy to use, so it's great for my husband too. He gets razor bumps from shaving his beard and stuff like that. So what Tin Skin solution is it is a liquid product. It reduces appearance of unsightly razor bumps, ingrown hairs, and redness from shaving, waxing, and electrolysis for men's faces, necks, and women's legs, underarms, and bikini lines. Directions: apply to dry skin only. Test small area 1 hour for sensitivity. Dampen cotton ball with Tin Skin solution and apply to area. Use morning and night until area is clear, and then daily after hair removal. So I use this definitely like in my bikini area after I shave or whatever the case is, and it really, really helps. I've noticed a huge change since I've been using this in my skin. So I'm really, really happy with it. Warnings: do not ingest. It's flammable. Keep away from children. Keep out of eyes. Avoid use if allergic to aspirin. Not tested for use during pregnancy or nursing. Harmful to leather, fabrics, carpet, finished surfaces. Avoid using in conjunctions with exfoliants or related skin products. So if you just exfoliated your bikini area, then you don't want to use this right after, because it might make your skin more sensitive, more vulnerable, and that might just cause like a really bad reaction. So you don't want to do that. Just be careful. The ingredients: isopropyl alcohol, butylene glycol, acetylsalicylic acid, cyclomethicone, glycerin, xyglycerin, and polysorbate 80. Manufactured by Tin Skin Company in Davie, Florida, 33317. Made in the USA. Website is www.tinskin.com, and there's the customer service number. Doesn't expire until 9/2019, so August of 2019, so plenty of time to use it and go through this bottle. I picked this up, I want to say in May, and I'm more than halfway through the bottle, so that's what's left. So it's really easy to open, so you just have to screw this top off. It smells a little bit like alcohol, so it doesn't really have a pleasant scent, but I think that's better. It's like if they add scent to it, it's probably just going to irritate your skin, so that's really not something that you would want. The odor is a little bit strong, and it does have that alcohol smell, like I said, so just be forewarned about that. Now, the top I like because it just has a small hole, so this prevents too much from coming out. So you just want to grab a little bit, and of course you would use like a cotton ball, but I just want to show you guys. It's clear, it feels dry, and like I said, it has that alcohol scent to it. So I wouldn't really say it's a pleasant smell, but you know, I'm not buying the product, and you're not buying the product based on the smell. You're using it for ingrown hairs, so I don't feel like that matters so much. So I definitely recommend this product because I've tried other things and they just didn't really work. So I'm very thankful that the facialist had told me about this product. The product dimensions are 6 by 5 by 4 inches. The shipping weight is 4 ounces, and it's a plastic bottle, so it's recyclable. You can use this on your face daily for men. It doesn't dry out your skin like alcohol, but if you do have naturally dry skin, I would definitely recommend using a light moisturizer with it. And it works great with removing the dark spots on the bikini area, arm, and neck. So I also wanted to mention, I think this works great after plucking, after using a tweezer too. And yeah, if you keep using it on the same spot, I would say you do need to use a moisturizer. But this is definitely, for me, such a miracle product because I've struggled with razor bumps in the bikini area for years and years. So I'm really happy that there's a product on the market that actually works and that's easy to get. They sell this at some random stores, even grocery stores, but of course it's just easier to purchase online. I've heard about it clearing severe cyst-like ingrowns on certain women's bikini lines, so I'm not the only one who has had a wonderful experience with this product, and it definitely works like I've never seen a product work before. So I'm very, very happy with it. So guys, this is 10 Skin Solution for Ingrown Hairs Razor Balm Shaving Waxing for Men and Women. I hope you try it, I hope you love it, and I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching.